Experiencing connection issues between your AirPods Pro and Android device? While AirPods Pro can pair with Android via standard Bluetooth, seamless integration is limited. First, ensure your AirPods are in pairing mode by opening the case near your Android and holding the setup button until the LED flashes white. On your Android, go to Bluetooth settings and scan for available devices. Select your AirPods Pro to pair. If pairing fails, try forgetting the device in your Bluetooth settings, resetting your AirPods by pressing and holding the setup button for 15 seconds, and restarting both devices. Interference, low battery, or outdated software can also cause problems. Ensure your Android is updated and disable battery optimization for Bluetooth to help. AirPods Pro default to the AAC codec on Android, but Android supports superior codecs like aptX and LDAC. To potentially improve audio quality, you can try forcing a different codec via developer options. To enable this, go to Settings, About Phone, Build Number, and tap it 7 times. Then, in Developer Options, look for Bluetooth audio codec settings. Be aware that forcing codecs like LDAC may not work perfectly, and spatial audio features are generally limited on Android due to Apple's restrictions. Use a Bluetooth Audio Analyzer app to verify the active codec. For gaming or video calls, prioritize low latency modes. For music, try enabling high bitrate codecs if possible. Always revert to default settings if you encounter instability.